Today, we're going to talk about a very important topic, the 10 essential rules every gun owner must know in Pennsylvania. If you own a firearm or are thinking about getting one, these rules can help you stay within the law and avoid serious problems. Let's get started. Rule 1. Right to remain silent. When dealing with law enforcement, remember, you have rights. The police stop you or ask you questions, you have the right to remain silent and to ask for a lawyer. Don't give extra information that could be used against you. Rule 2. Documentation. Ready? Always be prepared. Carry the necessary documents, your carry license, proof of ownership, and if possible, training records. That can save you a lot of trouble. Rule 3. Do not consent to searches. You have the right not to consent to searches. If an officer asks to search your vehicle or your home, you can respectfully say, "I do not consent to the search." Without a valid warrant, officers legally cannot compel you to let them search. Rule 4. Open carry in Pennsylvania. You can open carry a firearm in most of the states without a license. But in Philadelphia, you need a license even for open carry. So be sure to know the laws of the city you're in. Rule 5. Concealed carry and in vehicles. To carry a concealed firearm or have it in your vehicle, you need a license to carry firearms, LTCF. Without that license, it is illegal. Remember, even if you have a permit, there are still places you can't go with your gun. Rule 6. Transport and storage. When transporting your firearm, keep it unloaded and separate from the ammunition. Also, at home, ensure it is either locked with a safety device or stored in a safe. Safety should always be your top priority. Rule 7. Duty to inform. Wire. It is not always mandatory to inform police officers that you are carrying a firearm. If an officer asks you, you must tell the truth. In some states, like Florida, you have a duty to immediately inform an officer if you are armed. Rule 8. Prohibited areas. You cannot carry a firearm into schools, courthouses, government buildings, or airports. Also, you must respect private businesses that post no gun signs. Violators can face severe penalties. Rule 9. Self-defense. Pennsylvania recognizes the castle doctrine and stand your ground. This means you can defend yourself in your home, vehicle, or workplace if there is an immediate threat to your life. However, remember, deadly force is only valid if your life is in actual danger. Using excessive force can lead to serious consequences. Rule 10. Continuous training. Train regularly and stay informed about changes in the law. Keep records of courses and practice sessions. It demonstrates responsibility and helps to refresh your knowledge when needed. Knowing the rules will help you to better enjoy your Second Amendment rights while staying safe and out of trouble. And that's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.